Hi, kindergarten. Are you guys ready for work time? Okay, Miss Castellano is going to read you the poem again, okay? Let's take a look at our poem. A trip to the zoo. The zoo is an amazing place where tigers yawn and lions pace, where monkeys swing and pandas climb, where peacocks strut and snakes unwind, where sleepy elephants chomp on hay, where seals and otters play and play. So many animals, big and small, I love to watch them one and all. Kindergarten, do you know what the word strut means? Mrs. Castellano should have told you that earlier. Strut. It means to walk very proudly. Strut your stuff, right? So the peacock is very proud of his big fan of feathers. So he just struts and he walks very proudly. Okay, kindergarten. Today we're going to be making our letter Z. Okay, so you should get your Smart Start paper. You're going to need your Smart Start paper today. You're going to need your journal, your sign-in book, and your math book. Okay, kinder. On Thursdays, we do Smart Start paper. Okay. So Mrs. Castellano has her Smart Start paper. First thing Mrs. Castellano is going to do is write her name, right? On the top line, you guys can write your first and last name. So you might write Elodie Garcia or Zachary Boynton. And so Mrs. Castellano is writing Mrs. Castellano. It takes Mrs. Castellano a little bit longer because she actually is writing upside down for you guys. Okay, ready? Here's how we make the letter Z. We're going to make 5 capital Z's. Ready? We're going to go across the sky, diagonal down to the ground, and across. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I bet you Zachary is really good at making Z's, right? And Zeke. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now I'm going to make lowercase. Lowercase are made the same, kindergarten, except for we do everything below the gate or at the gate. So we're going to go across the gate, down, and to the ground. So it's 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Remember, kindergarten, don't go straight down because that looks funny, right? That looks funny. We don't make straight down. We do a diagonal line. So we go across straight, then diagonal, and then down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're going to do a capital Z and a lowercase z. We're going to do 3 sets of that. Oh, I don't like the way that's floating. Hey, kindergarten, I have something funny to tell you. When Mrs. Castellano was growing up, 1, 2, 3, we had 2 names for the letter Z. Is that funny? We still do. We call it Z or we call it Z. So if we say the letter, we say Z. But if I spelled something like zoo, I would say Z-O-O. Is that so funny? Do you know why, kindergarten? Because some people speak French there, and that's how you say Z in French. You say Z in French is Z. But isn't that funny? Okay, ready? Mrs. Castellano's gonna pick the word zoo. Who remembers how to spell zoo? You can pick whichever Z word you want. Ooh, that's right. I might write another word too. How about zebra? Zebra. But you can write any word you want. And then I want you to get your journal out, kindergarten. I want you to write a sentence with a Z word, or I want you to finish this sentence. Or I want you to write it. Remember yesterday Luke read the book, What Would You Do If You Lived in the Zoo? So kindergarten, what would you do if you lived in the zoo? So I'm going to write my sentence. Ready? If I lived in the zoo, I would. What letter? Get my sentence to the capital. I would play. I would play, and I know how to spell play. I know play ends with a Y. I would play with. And Mrs. Castellano knows how to spell with, but sometimes kindergartners put an F there, and that's okay. I would play with the. I know how to spell the, kindergarten, right? Because it's a sight word. I would play with the otters. Mrs. Castellano really likes otters. I don't think they would play with me, but there you go. And I ended my sentence with a period. I started my sentence with a capital. I have finger spaces between my words, and I ended with a period. Also, kindergarten, I don't have any capitals in the middle of my sentence because I don't have any proper nouns, right? So I don't have any names, so I'm not going to put capitals in the middle here. I would play with my otters. And Mrs. Castellano is just going to spell would properly under here as we do in yours. I would play with the otters. And then you can draw a picture, kindergarten. I know your picture goes on top. If you'd like to send me your sentences, I would love to read them. So please send them to me if you want to. Okay, are you ready, kindergarten? We have one more thing to do today. So you're going to sign in with your new sentence, right? You're going to do your Smart Start paper, your journal, sign in, and then it's math time. We are turning to page 113 and 114 today. That's 113 and 114, okay? So Miss Castellano is going to take a chunk. I'm not going to just do one page at a time because that's going to take me a very long time. So I turned to page 83. I got to keep going. Oh, I got lucky and turned right to page 113, kindergarten. Okay, here's what we're doing today, kindergarten. It's a little bit new because we're going backwards on the number line. Okay? Do you remember when we were doing addition, we started with the number and then we went that way. This is what we're doing today. We're starting with this number. So what number is this, kindergarten? Did you say 3? And we're gonna hop backwards this way. So here we go. I'm gonna start at number 3. How many squares are we gonna hop backwards? 1. So we're gonna go 1. What number do we land on? 2. 3 minus 1 equals 2. Do you see how that works, kindergarten? 3, she's on 3. We take away 1. Now she's on 2. Let's take a look here. Okay? We're going to start with this number. So we start with the 3. We're taking away two blocks. Ready? 1 block, 2 block. What number do we land on, kindergarten? Did you say 1? Let's read this sentence together. 3 take away 2 equals 1. Or 3 minus 2 equals 1. See if you can do this one by yourself, kindergarten. Okay? And then turn the page. It's the same thing. We're going to start on this number, right? And we're going to take away this many. So this girl is going to start on here. And she's going to take away 1. What number did she land on? Did you guys say 7? 8 minus 1 equals 7. Hi, Blazy. Hi, Blazy. Come on up. Come on up. Oh, Blazy wanted to do math time with you guys. Look. He just, did I squish you? I'm sorry. So, kindergarten, see if you can finish these 2 by yourself. Okay? See if you can do that. Kindergarten, I hope, Blazy, don't go on the table. Okay, Blazy. See, kindergarten, I hope you guys have a great day. I hope you get outside, enjoy some fresh air. I'm going to take Blazy for a walk later. Right, Blazy? Okay. Bye, kindergarten.